Hey there, drivers! Today I'm diving into an essential habit that can save you from dangerous sideswipe collisions. Shoulder checks when changing lanes. Trust me, it's a game changer. First things first, thorough mirror checks. Regularly check your rear view and side mirrors. It's gotta be a consistent habit, but you can't just set them and forget them. Adjust your mirrors to minimize blind spots. Proper mirror adjustment is key, but here's the kicker. Mirrors just aren't enough. Blind spots exist, and they're sneaky. Always check your blind spot by turning your head and looking over your shoulder. Especially with large vehicles like trucks and buses, those blind spots are massive. Signaling your intentions is next. Use your turn signals well in advance. This gives other drivers time to react. Even if you think no one's there, signal anyway. It's a good habit and keeps you predictable. Now let's talk about safe lane changes. Ensure there's adequate space and avoid sudden lane changes. Smooth, gradual movements are safer. Maintain a safe following distance to give yourself more time to react to others. And when merging onto highways, accelerate to match the speed of traffic before merging. Defensive driving is your best friend. Anticipate other drivers' actions and be prepared for the unexpected. Stay focused and avoid distractions. Distracted driving is a major cause of accidents. Constantly scan your environment to stay aware of your surroundings. Got vehicle tech? Use it, but don't rely on it exclusively. Blind spot monitoring systems are great aids, just like lane departure warnings. They can alert you if you're drifting out of your lane. Remember, always assume other drivers might not see you. Be extra cautious in heavy traffic or adverse weather conditions. Practice these techniques regularly to build good driving habits. Abrupt lane changes? They're a no-go. Sudden maneuvers can surprise other drivers, leading to collisions. Blind spots make it worse, and disrupting traffic flow can create jams. On slippery roads, you might even lose control. Not to mention, unsafe lane changes can lead to tickets and legal issues. So why shoulder checks? Side mirrors have limitations. They can't cover all blind spots. A shoulder check gives you a direct visual confirmation of what's in your blind spot. Enhanced situational awareness is crucial. It's a fundamental safety practice that reduces the risk of sideswipe collisions. In summary, mirrors are valuable, but shoulder checks provide the necessary direct visual confirmation. Always check those blind spots before changing lanes. Drive safe, stay alert, and keep those shoulder checks in your routine. Alright, that's it for today. Remember, safety first. Catch you in the next one.